Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable naming conventions in Google Drive for design teams step by step clearly. To enable naming conventions in Google Drive for your design team, begin by opening Google Drive in your web browser. Navigate to the folder where your design files are stored. Right-click on the folder and select Manage Team Drive if using a team drive, or simply click on the folder for a personal drive. In the Settings menu, choose Change Storage Settings to begin setting up your naming conventions. Create a naming convention guideline document that outlines the structure you want to implement. Include elements like project names, version numbers, and dates in this document. Share this document with your design team to ensure everyone is informed about the new naming conventions. Encourage your team to refer to the guideline whenever they save new files. To reinforce the naming conventions, lead by example by renaming existing files according to the new system. Right-click on any file you need to rename, then select Rename from the drop-down menu. Follow the naming format outlined in your guidelines and hit Enter to save the new name. Set regular check-ins with your team to discuss adherence to the naming conventions. Provide positive feedback and reminders to keep everyone aligned with the new system. Consider creating a checklist that includes the naming convention steps for each project to keep everyone. Implement these practices consistently to maintain organization within your Google Drive. With time, your design team will benefit from a more efficient and structured file management system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.